How to choose the right toothbrush and transform your smile. Did you know that the right toothbrush can make a huge difference in your oral health and confidence? With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to pick the best one. Here's how to choose the perfect toothbrush for you and your family. A toothbrush is an essential oral hygiene tool designed to clean teeth and gums. It consists of a handle and bristles, usually made of nylon, and comes in different styles and sizes, either manual or electric. Types of toothbrushes. Manual toothbrush. Easily available and affordable. No batteries or charging required. Various bristle types and sizes to choose from. Harder to track brushing time and pressure. Electric toothbrush. Vibrations or rotations help remove plaque efficiently. Useful for those with limited mobility. Features like timers and pressure sensors improve brushing technique. More expensive and requires charging or battery replacement. Both types are effective if used correctly, so the choice depends on personal preference and needs. Choosing the right bristles. Soft bristles are recommended by dentists as they effectively clean without damaging teeth and gums. Medium and hard bristles can be too abrasive, causing gum recession and enamel wear. Unless advised otherwise by a dentist, soft bristles are the safest choice. Toothbrush size and shape. A smaller head and ergonomic handle allow better access to all areas, especially the back teeth. Multi-level or angled bristles work better than flat ones in removing plaque and debris. When to replace your toothbrush. Replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months, or sooner if the bristles are frayed. Worn-out bristles lose effectiveness in cleaning. Also, change your toothbrush after recovering from an illness to prevent reinfection. Eco-friendly choices. Over 4.7 billion plastic toothbrushes are discarded yearly, contributing to pollution. Consider switching to bamboo or recyclable toothbrushes and dispose of old brushes responsibly. Small actions can make a big impact on the environment. Conclusion. A toothbrush is a simple yet crucial tool for maintaining good oral and overall health. While soft-bristled, small-headed toothbrushes are recommended, the key to a healthy smile is proper brushing technique and consistency. If unsure about the right toothbrush for you, consult a dentist. Keep brushing, stay healthy, and keep smiling.